Strength, skill, and the fall of a giant. Let's watch this video together with top tech. The wood splitter is truly impressive. It can break down a large log into smaller pieces in seconds, accomplishing a workload that would take us several days to complete by hand. This tree was certainly killed by fire, but the man had to use a chainsaw to cut it down to reduce the risk of unintended wildfires.
Both piping them.
Wood grinding is used to recycle wood waste into sawdust, serving the production of paper, biofuel, and organic fertilizers. It also helps clear vegetation after harvesting, provides mulch for landscaping, and contributes to effective environmental protection. The CBI 6800BT is a powerful horizontal grinder designed for tough materials like palm trees. It efficiently grinds fibrous, moisture-rich trunks, ideal for land clearing and green waste. This machine ensures high efficiency in heavy-duty applications. The Bandit Model 3590XL is a high-capacity wood chipper with a 36 by 48-inch throat and 875 to 1200 horsepower engine. It efficiently processes whole trees, loading a 45-foot trailer in just 7 minutes. Ideal for forestry, it offers options like a cab and remote control for enhanced operation. There must have been a big storm that swept through this area and uprooted it. The NF210-6R is a specialized forestry tractor equipped with a crane and grapple for collecting and transporting logs in challenging forest terrains. It features large wheels with steel chains, providing enhanced traction on muddy and uneven ground. Its robust and versatile design allows for efficient handling of logging tasks. This machine is an essential tool in the forestry industry, ensuring high performance and safety.
Hey, sun's back as always. Ficou também. Agora vem agora o parceiro saindo.
Wow, harsh working environments always bring out exceptional individuals, requiring great teamwork. But I can't help fearing that fragile thread might snap at any moment. Truly dramatic. Thank you for watching the entire video. See you in the next one.